All right, team. Saturday morning. It is definitely sunny dawn, or sunny or dawn or whatever. With the time of year, and they changed my shift, we probably won't be doing any more dark dawn stuff. I don't think I can get home anymore before, or it's still dark dawn. Once a week pickups. I think this is Mosley aluminum. All right. Yes, that's not aluminum. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Whoa. So now it's like 75% aluminum. Great. I think something fell into this bucket. I guess I'll have to look through there. That's what you get for leaving buckets on the floor. Anyway, we're going to go through this later because it's light out. We're going to get rolling on our lawn care stuff. Yeah, there's no reason I can't mow. Well, I could probably get away with it. But we're going to go ahead and get rolling on the lawn care stuff. We'll come back and sort this later because we were sorting this when it was still dark out, because obviously you're not going to do a lot of lawn care stuff in the dark. Anyway, I'll catch up with you later. All right, team. Saturday afternoon. Rockstar party Saturday. We didn't get as far as we wanted, but we never do. I had some setbacks. We did get the sprinklers running, and we did do some watering. Mower 2 did not want to run. I got it started, but it was running really poorly. So we brought it back, try and work on it again. I think it's just I got bad gas, but I was going to check the plug, but I couldn't. I didn't have any tools to pull it out. Oh, you know what? I bet I had an adjustable wrench. I might have been able to get it on there. Maybe not. It's kind of recessed. With the fins. Anyway, I have not touched this yet. We fixed this hose, or put a new end on this hose. I couldn't do it over there. I had the supplies, but this hose has this. Can you guys see that? Let me grab my glasses. I can't see it. See how it's got that like rib down it? When I tried to do one of these, the rib got in the way of shoving that on there. And I figured even if I got it shoved on there, the rib would just create a channel past all these barbs, and the water would just go out, because the hose wouldn't be tight up against there. It'd be like kind of like, I guess, like this, because the rib would hold it away. It'd hold it, well, yeah, I guess the rib would hold it away from those ridges, and it would leak on either side of that rib. At least that's what I thought would happen. So I brought it home because I didn't have, I tried cutting it with a knife, but I couldn't get the knife far enough back in there for how long that is. I couldn't make that happen. So I brought it home and I took a chisel and just shaved it back far enough so I could do this. We picked up a recliner while we were out that we had to haul away. Most of it's in this trash can. Most of it. Not all of it. I ran out of trash can. I could use the other can, but I wanted to save it for other trash. So I don't know. I probably could have got, I don't know. We'll see. Trash day's Monday. If there's still room in that big one there, maybe we'll toss it in. Oh, wow. You guys probably can't see that. It's a little dusty. All right, so we fixed the hose. We tried to fix it the location, couldn't do. We're going to look at this mower 2, figure out what's going on again. I think it's just bad gas, though. I think it's just last year's gas is causing me trouble there. But I wanted to pull the plug because it fired and it ran really rough. And I couldn't decide if it just wasn't getting gas or the gas was just crud. We'll figure it out though, but not right this moment. We busted up the recliner, put in the trash, fixed the hose. I can't remember, we unloaded the trailer. We still got to look at the mower. Oh yeah, it smells like bad gas in that can too, so I bet it's just bad gas. We'll find out though, because I had it running decent. So that's why I kind of don't think it's the bad gas, because I was using last year's gas and it was running just fine. That's what happens when you, well, yeah, pajama pants again. This is what happens when you start your mower on your carpeted garage. It grabs your carpet. I'm gonna take a break though, because I don't know where we're at. On these Rockstar parties, I can't calculate hours. I don't know why. We're at 18 hours. That's not that bad. But we got more to go. Anyway, I'm going to go eat something. I'm going to go eat lunch. And maybe have some lemonade or something. Ramble, blah, blah, blah. I'll catch up with you guys later. All right, team. Sunday morning. We're working on mower 2. Oh, I pulled the plug. Oh, it looks a little dry fouled. I mean, it smells like oil and gas, but it doesn't look wet. I checked the gap and it's good. When I pulled it, it's hard to pull it because the handle's up on there and it's way down here in the front. Oh yeah, pajama pants again. It's way down here in the front. So it's hard for me to pull it and look at it. I'm gonna go see if I got another plug maybe I can swap out and see what happens with that. All right, team, Sunday morning. We had Mrs. Duggar come out and yank the cord. And this seemed to have this is the plug that was in it. It seemed to have some intermittent spark, and it was a dull spark. So I swapped it for another plug. Not this plug, because this plug has longer threads and a longer, see how much longer that is? I can't remember what that's called, not the electrode, but the part that, the hook. It sticks farther down. Sorry, I'm trying to line them up. See how it sticks? It's touching the screwdriver, and the other one's still. I did not have the exact plug, but this one, too much thread, and the electrode sticks down too far. I don't know. I don't know if it hit the top of the piston or not, but I didn't want to try it. I had another one that's got more base here, but it's would so the plug's longer, it's got more metal, but the threading's the same, and the electrode, whatever the hook's called, I can't remember what it's called, is the same. So I put it in there, and it had a nice bright spark. And she started. I just had to hit the primer bubble. Hit the primer bubble a couple times, and it started right up and ran smooth. So I'm gonna say we had a worn out plug. I'm not used to. I'm used to. I mean, the electrode really sticks out of the base on that one. I'm not used to seeing that. See how the electrode doesn't come past the threads? I mean, it barely comes past. I'm wondering if that's because it's just worn down. Because to me, I think it would, rather than jump to the hook, it would jump to the side. I guess it couldn't because the gap is so big. I don't know. I'm going to go with the plug's worn out. And we're going to use the other plug. It's not the same plug, but it works. That's all we're worried about. We just need this thing to work. Let me give it a quick. We're going to go with that. Smells awesome in here now. Between running the mower, the stale gas, and the oil, it's quite a mixture of manliness in here. Let's call that a video, team. I got more stuff I want to do, but I'm not going to take you with me. So thanks for watching. Take it easy, and we'll see you next week, team.